Hi everyone, in front of me I've got RedMagic 10R, and let me share with you how to apply automatic system updates on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this general list we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. Then let's localize a special number which is called build number and keep tapping on it until you see the information that you're in the developer mode. After that, let's go back to the system settings and enter system and update. Now we can enter developer options, which is almost at the very bottom of the list. So let's tap on it and now scroll down just a little bit to find this option, automatic system updates. In my case, this option is turned on. However, if you've got it turned off, just like here, just tap on the switcher. And from now on, since this option is active, your device is allowed to apply the updates whenever it will be restarted. And of course, you can turn this option off just by tapping on the switcher again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.